And up close and personal में I would love to introduce you to our two very special guests. और वो दोनों grade 5 से हैं, सेविटा स्कूल से हैं और दोनों twins हैं, यानी दोनों 10 साल के हैं. पहले मैं introduce कराना चाहूँगी with Raed Shigri. Hello and welcome to the show. And then मैं आपको introduce कराना चाहूँगी with Raed Shigri. Hello and welcome to the show.
Hello.
How are you guys doing?
Good. Good.
Good. Okay. So how does it feel to be on a TV show today, right?
It feels good. Like people can see me being one.
Oh wow. And how do you feel?
I don't know.
You don't feel too good about it, right? Yeah? Okay. So Raed, would you like to tell me about some of the things you like to do with your free time?
Like read books.
Oh really? Tell me some of the books you're reading.
Right now I'm reading Matilda by Roald Dahl.
Oh wow.
And then I'm gonna read like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I'm reading.
You know, I love Matilda. Oh, you read too?
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is Roald Dahl one.
Oh wow. Okay, that's amazing. So Raed, do you like to play, football?
Yeah, I like basketball and football.
Okay, so but I think you like basketball more, right? Yeah. So tell me a little bit about basketball. Do you play in school?
Only in grade 6 we played. I'm gonna go to grade 5 and then after 1 year I can play it in grade 6.
Oh, you can? So, so how come you can't play in grade 5? I'm sure you can practice at home.
It's because somebody got hurt.
Oh, somebody
People get hurt under like grade 6.
Underage. Oh, but you're such a tall, guy. I'm sure you enjoy playing basketball, right? Do you dribble really well?
Yeah.
Do you dribble really fast?
Yeah.
And how's your tackling? Like, are you able to like switch really fast as well?
He guards it and blocks.
Really? You guard it and block it? Will you share some strategies with me later? Thank you. And what about you? What sport are you really good at?
Football.
You like football? Let me guess, your favorite footballer is Ronaldo. Is it? No way! Surprise me. Who is it?
It's probably Mbappe.
Oh, really? Tell me how come and why?
Because he's fast.
Okay.
And
you like speed? Yeah.
He's won the World Cup and he almost beat Argentina in 2022 World Cup. Because he scored a hat trick in the final but lost on pens.
Oh, did he? So, do you know about his personal life as well? Do you take him to be someone you like otherwise as well? As a footballer, and do you read about him, his life?
No, not.
No, you don't? Oh, okay, that's cool. So, I hear that you guys love to play chess as well? And which one's better at chess?
Tried me.
Really? So, when did you start playing chess?
When we were 7 or 8. 7.
Wow, so it's been about 3-4 years you've been playing chess. And who did you start playing chess with?
We started from this app called chess.com. It makes then we learned how to play from YouTube.
All right. Okay, so Raed. Okay, so Raed can first tell me about his experience with chess, and then maybe Aariz can tell me. So, who do you like to play with usually?
Like my friends when they come to my house, then.
Wow.
They're not that good, but they're
not that good, right?
Yeah.
But you're actually a champion of chess, you would say. Out of all of your friends, you're like the best.
I've been in tournaments.
You've been in tournaments? You've won tournaments as well?
No.
Oh, okay, that's cool. But you're getting there. And Aariz, what about you?
What do you mean?
Have you played chess?
Chess, yeah.
With?
I play with my friends, Raed and my mom.
Oh, okay, great. So, it sounds pretty interesting. And what about music? Do you guys like music as well?
Yeah, but Aariz doesn't like.
Yeah? Right, what kind of music do you like?
Like some music that's like calm.
Oh, okay. And what about you?
I like beats.
Beats? Hip-hop beats? Same here.
I like hip-hop funks.
Oh, how cool. So, Raed, have you ever thought about what, you want to do when you grow up? What do you want to do?
To be like a pilot.
A pilot?
In the A380 or the Boeing 777.
Oh, Boeing 777 is a really nice plane for sure. Absolutely. And what about you, Aariz?
I don't know.
That's okay. You can figure it out along the way. You know, when I was young, I wanted to be an astronaut. So I'm close to that. I study about astrology. And how about you tell me about your favorite color?
Purple.
Right.
Purple.
I love that. Oh my God, I love purple.
I like cyan. Cyan. Like
Oh,
the
cyan. Oh
light
yeah, cyan. Yeah, that's a nice color too. That's a nice color too. How unusual is that? All right. Okay. Cool. And Aariz, so what is your favorite pastime with you know, without mom? Like, what do you like to do when no one is there? When you're just chilling by yourself? What do you like to do?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's okay. No. And what about you, Raed?
I like to play Fortnite.
Fortnite. Oh man. And are you good at it?
Yeah.
And are you allowed screen time?
Yeah. Like
Who isn't?
like
How many hours are you allowed?
as many until my mom like calls me or something. Like 8 or something.
Really? Wow, I don't want a mama like that. What about you? You get enough time to play games? Yeah?
No, it's like no limit. Like any limit. My mom just calls me if there's something we have to do or something.
Oh, okay. And do you listen to her?
Oh yeah.
You do? So it's like when she'll say, Raed, do you get up immediately?
No, when I'm
I
asleep.
knew it.
Like.
And do you get up immediately? When mama says, Aariz, do you
No,
come?
my brother wakes me up by watching stuff early in the morning.
Ah.
Because I sleep late, my brother sleeps early, and then he wakes up early.
Achha, do you guys like being twins?
No. Yeah,
like-
kinda.
Aw, he likes it.
Because it's fun to play with.
Oh, how cute, Aariz. I love that. Okay, so I'd like you guys to give me a last ending message. You can give any message. If you want, you can give a message to your mom. You can leave a message for your friends as well if you want. I'm sure they'll be watching too.
Nah.
Nah? Okay. Okay, cool.